So now my Hantek, the hand scope went off when I was trying to update the firmware. So I've gotten the details online. So what I'll do now is I'll connect everything to my USB and try and work on it. If I'll be able to restore it back. So after connecting it, so you can see the wires were connected. So with this one, you can see the colors. Ground is black and red is the 5 volts. Then the TX and the RX are on. The TX is orange and the RXD is yellow. So when you connect it to the board itself, you check the you check the colors also there. So you can see you connect the ground to the ground as is stated on the board. So you connect the ground to ground and the 5 volt to the VVC. Then you connect the TX to the other two ones. So when it doesn't work, you just change the TX and the RX. So you just swap those two wires. But you connect ground to ground and VVC is the voltage, which is the 5 volts. Then the two middle ones, you can swap it. If you try it and doesn't read, then you swap it. Then you have to do the jumping. So now I'm using this software, which is STM32 Club Programmer. I'm using it. So now I'm connecting to the device and it is connected successfully. So what I'll do now is I will upload my bin file onto the board so that it starts to work. So now I disconnect it and you can see the connection. The protocol is COM11 and the band rate is 115200 and even. So now you can see I've reconnected it and I'm going to upload the file onto the system. So I'll select my browser and select the USB bootloader. So when it happens that way, it means your bootloader is faulty and you have to flash the bootloader. So I saw it on YouTube. I took the file from someone on YouTube who has also done his, but his board is different from mine. I think his version is different from mine. So now after the upload, the download is complete and everything is complete. The reason why I got this warning is try to start the machine because I wrote after programming, run after programming, and it couldn't run. So what I'll do now is I'll disconnect it, but I'll use another software which is the flash loader. So you can use this software or the flash loader. So this is the flash loader demonstrator and you can see I'm not able to connect because of the band rate. The band rate is supposed to be 115200, but I'm using 57600 and it can't connect. That's my problem. So I'll try and I'm not getting any response. So I'll try it again and I'll not get any response because of the bandwidth. The moment I change it, it will connect to it, and I've changed the port number, the port name also to COM11. And when it connects to it successfully, the moment you click on next, it changes quickly. So there is two software that you can use online, and the chip which was used to make that board or that device, the Hantek handheld scope, it was STM32 and it had another codes on it. So what I'll do is I'll reopen it again and check my ports and my bandwidth, then connect it. So the moment I connect it, you see it has connected. But the person did the demonstration with this software, but you can use the other software as I showed you. So with this one, you select next, go to the next page, and you select download to device. So you select the download to device, then you locate your bin file, which is the USB bin file. So you leave everything here the way it is, but I'll use the manual which came with the software and the bin file, or the bootloader. So I'll open the instructions to follow the instructions. Although I've used the other software, which means now I can turn the machine on, and you can see this this is different. This is different from my board. So you have to get all these things, and it is different from my board. So now I'm at this, I've passed this stage, so I'll turn to the next page, which is this page, which I have to upload the file. So I'll leave everything the way it is. So go and select my bin file. And to see the bin file, I have to change the file type to bin. So change the file type to bin, then so that I can see my bootloader. Then I click on next to upload it. So then after the upload, I disconnect everything, and so now it is uploading the file like the way the other one did. So it's downloading the file onto the device like the way the other one did. So after this, all you need to do is to close it. Then that's all. The firmware is updated. So now, as the firmware is updated, now my bootload is restored, and your settings, everything will be intact. It is the bootload that gets corrupted whenever you are uploading the bin, whenever you are trying to update the device. So now I'll take off all the pins. So I'll take off everything. After I've desoldered everything, I'll fix everything back. Then I'll put batteries in it and turn it on. So after flashing and doing everything, now I've closed it and I've placed in a new set of battery, and voila, it's now working. So let me test. Let me see. I nearly bought the menu, so let me go back, go to this, and everything is working. You can see the button is working. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.